Clockwoman from the alternate universe Skibidi toilet. So for clock people, never thought I'd say that, a compass might be helpful for the circles and all that kind of stuff, or like a stencil or a plate, or you could freehand the circles, but it might be helpful just say that at the start. So I'm on a landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. So we'll go mark out our hat, right? So you got like these flowers hanging off it as well, actually. So we'll go there, and like there's a flower hanging off over here, so it kind of cuts it off, I think. Yeah, we'll go there, right? So that's like the width. We're going to join that together. Hold your breath. Boom. Nearly made it perfectly, but a little bit sticking off. Right. Then the hat curves around the back of her head. She got like these bottles and stuff on. And then there's an edge line, a rim, up to there. So little bottles on the edge here. So like here, they've got little corks in them. There are clock pieces in them. Such detail. Crazy how detailed he can get these things. Dom Studios. So shout out. So then here, little bottle, vial sort of thing. The cork sticking out of it. It looks like anyway. And then there's a strap holding it on to the hat. Much of drawing is just figuring out what way things are connected together. Right? And then the bottom of the bottle is here. So, bottle here. Right, and there's like a layer of these, so we're just gonna do a couple. Here's adding this strap. So clipped on with a little button there. And then there's a big clock here, but see, out from this, we can see the side of our hat. So it goes up, and then it kind of like comes over. It goes pretty wide. So it goes up there and then down. And then she has like a big clock here, like a big oval or semicircle sitting here. And this has an edge. So it's got like an edge line going the whole way around. It kind of has a couple of base lines too. It's sort of like edges and rims and all that kind of stuff. And I imagine there like is numbers and stuff all in here, but you can't really make them out. It's all very fuzzy sort of. So we'll just add a general clock thing. So there's no more bottles or anything here, so we can just add the rim that she has on her hat. But there is some straps actually. Right, like so. Just these little like rectangles with circles in them. And then the flowers. So there's like two little golden flowers. So basically cartoony kind of flowers, you could draw them. I kind of like this. There's little lines going. Like that, and then I think like another one. Sort of in here somewhere. And then the clock just sort of disappears under there. And they just be colored gold, sort of. Okay, so her head, big circle, basically, right? So it's this wide all the way around, right? Again, you could use a bowl or a plate or a stencil or anything you'd like to get a sort of a more circle-y looking circle. Or if not, sketch it out light. Do your best to get it circle-y. That's a technical term. So she's got a couple of layers to her face, basically. So there's like a golden rim. And we're just trying to make it look as circular as we can. And then it's got like kind of an edge line and stuff. So like it's kind of like the circle edge to it sort of goes around here. Of course, in the show, he's able to render this ridiculously detailed kind of stuff. So, but you'd have to be a computer to be able to do that, really. Or just be immortal and have loads of time. Time, Clockwoman, full circle. So that's like the gold outside edge, right? And in here, there's white clock hands and numbers and everything. So we'll do the inside circle, right? And then there's the clock hand here. And this kind of is drawn, like it's hard to, we'll go this way. We'll do a kind of a twisty sort of thing like this. Spike. Okay, yeah, that's kind of good. We have another edge line, another circle line. Don't like drawing circles, it's hard. And then I, Roman numerals, 2, boop, 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 3, so 3 should be IV, V, V, I, which is 6 down the bottom. VII. like so. Now, things coming out of the side of her head, right? Big round yolks. I guess they're kind of like headphones, right? But they're kind of steampunk looking things. And out this way as well. And this sort of connects in to her face sort of here, and there's another golden sort of line coming around that way. Okay, so then we have edge lines to all this. And sort of little details like, and there's like little lines and stuff on in here. Not really sure what they are. Just added sort of like this wavy sort of thing. Again, edges, stuff to make it look metallic, and then there's these little sort of buttons sticking off. Right, basically that's her head. So we'll go down the neck, right? So neckline sort of comes out this way, going there, and she got this little sort of V thing here. And a costume. What way is that? Right, we'll go at the shoulder first. Kind of like her jacket. There's no textures on it. It looks kind of leathery, but comes around her chest like that. Okay, and another. And then she seems to have a line down the middle here. And chest area, and then she has buckles or something coming across. They do look kind of not rendered, so what are you doing, Dom Studio? Bit more detail in her costume. Lol. Only joking. And then she has, looks like clothing, but it's all black, so I'm not really sure. So we'll go this way just with these. And then an edge line here. The rim, and then her arms sort of come down this way. These straps coming across here. And I'm just going to color the shadow in here, just make it dark. I think it needs it. Boom, Clockwoman. Skibidi Toilet alternate universe. Loving it. It's really good. Like the detail he can put in them is so good. And it's so great that like independent creators can do stuff like this that gets like 1 billion views. Well done, I must say. It's an accomplishment, this thing, and no one knows about it. Well, people who are online know about it. People of a certain age have no idea what's going on, which is interesting. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.